Hello, this is Justin with Green Residential. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a jammed up garbage disposal. So if you've gone to the switch to turn the garbage disposal on and one of two things has happened, you hear a hum or you hear nothing. So in either of these situations, there's a good chance your garbage disposal is jammed up. So what you need to do is, first off, turn that switch back off, go underneath the garbage disposal, and you want to look at the bottom of the garbage disposal. Now, the type of garbage disposal I'm showing you is a very common type of garbage disposal. So at the bottom of that garbage disposal, there's a little red button. Chances are that it has been pushed out. So what you want to do is push that button back in. That is a reset button. That will turn the motor on again. So once that button has been pressed in, you want to go back to the switch that turns the garbage disposal on and turn that switch back on. Chances are you may have just solved your problem. If you did not solve the problem, you're one step closer to victory. So maybe now you hear a hum, whereas before you heard nothing. Well, what you want to do is turn the switch back off, and this time you're going to need a tool. It's essentially an Allen wrench. They call it a jam buster. You can find them at Home Depot or Lowe's. There's a chance that you may have one in your house. These garbage disposals, they do come with them. Many times they get lost over time, though. So in the center of that bottom part of the garbage disposal, there's a hole. What you want to do is you want to take that tool, that Allen wrench, that jam buster wrench, and put it in there and manually move that wrench back and forth. And what you're doing is you're turning the motor. So the motor turns the floor of the inner chamber of the garbage disposal. Now, the way a garbage disposal works is you put food down into that garbage disposal and you hit the switch. What happens is the motor turns, which spins the floor, which spins these little blades on the floor. It chops up the food. That food goes into these little holes that exist along the edge of the inner chamber. So between the floor and the wall, there's these little holes where the food goes down, which eventually goes into the drain. Now, what can happen is something can get wedged in there. Sometimes it's a screw, a penny, bone. It could be anything. Something gets stuck in there and it basically seizes the whole thing up. The motor can't turn. So what you're doing with that wrench is you're manually forcing that whatever is stuck in there loose. So once you feel it has become loose, what you want to do is you want to get a flashlight and a long pair of maybe needle nose pliers. Make sure that garbage disposal is still off. You want to look inside that chamber and you want to pull out whatever was causing that to jam. So once you have done that, now you can go back to the switch, turn it on, and chances are you just repaired your garbage disposal. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. You know, we put out videos like this on a regular basis. They include simple repairs that many homeowners can do themselves. They include house knowledge and even code knowledge, building code knowledge. So if you found this video helpful, think about hitting that subscribe button because we put out videos like this regularly, so you'll be educated about houses, which I believe benefits everyone. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.